Stay with us. Light violet color, forest green color, emerald green color, geranium color, black color, vivid purple color, pastel pink color, Persian blue color, rose big color, yellow, green color, cool gray color, mint blue color. Stay with us. Mint blue color. A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cow. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Exactly. The next one is G. Now we are using the color of geranium, writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. I. I for ice. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. Now we're using the color of light violet. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose. The next one is O. O for orange. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Stay with us. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S. The next one is T. Exactly, T. Yellow green color. U. U for umbrella. V for van. W. W for watch. The next one is X. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching, kids. The next one is numbers. Black color, writing the number of 1, 2. The next one is 3, 4, F-O-U-R, 5, F-I-V-E, 5, 6, 7. The next one is 8, the number of 8, 9, N-I-N-E, 9. The last one is 10, T-E-N, 10. Red color, white color, dark pink color, blue color. Exactly, brown color, black color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, kids. The next one is exactly silver color, light pink color, yes, light green color, yellow color, dark green color. Now we are using the color of red and writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C for cat, C for cow. D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. E for egg, E for elephant. Exactly, sky blue color. Now we are using the color of sky blue, writing F. The next one is G. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker. K. K for kangaroo. Silver color. Kids, now we are using the color of silver. L. M. N. The next one is O. P. P for penguin. Brown color, exactly. 1, the number of 1. 2, TWO, 2. 3, exactly. Kids, the next one is 4, FOUR. 4, 5, FIVE, 5. 6, SIX, 6. 7, 7. The next one is 8, 9, NINE, 9. The last one is 10, TEN, 10. Vivid green color, exactly. The alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C for cow, kids. The next one is D. Stay with us. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat. H for hand. I for eyes. Baby blue color. J for joker. The next one is K. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose and for nest. Exactly. The next one is O. The alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. Pale pink color. S. Kids, the next one is T. T for tiger. U for umbrella, exactly. The next one is V. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Now we're using the color of yellow and writing the alphabet of Y. The last one is Z. Now we draw numbers. 1. The next one is 2, exactly. 3. THREE. 4. FOUR. 5. FIVE 5. 6. SIX 6. 7. 8. Kids, the next one is 9. NINE 9. 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.